Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the Contacts application. For some reason it opened up in landscape. So from here we're going to tap on the three dots, go to Import Contacts. And from here you want to select that you want to import contacts from SIM, and now for you it might be SIM 1 or 2, depending which tray you used to insert your card to, or if you're using two SIM cards it will show 1 and 2. So anyway, I'm gonna select my SIM card right here, and as you can see there is some contacts already here on the card. So you can either tap on them individually like I just did. As you can see, it gives you a pop-up that it imported the contact, or you can tap right here, import all, and there we go, it imports all of them. Now it did import info line twice because I did tap on it and then selected import all anyway. But that is how you import your contacts. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.